Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to enye i-video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you so much. Asethemba ungene kahle unyakeni omusha. Happy New Year, happy 2025. Ngicela ukubonga kakhulu kini nonke ensubscribe-ile kwi-channel, like ama-video nawabuka njalo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much. And nakusasa asiqhubekeni sisebenzeni onyakeni ka-2025. Now siqhubekeni sikhule. Bengingaba yini ngaphandle kwenu bafethu, because the channel is here today because of you and your love and your support. So thank you so much. Mina ngiyabonga bafethu. So on this first video yaka 2025, I'm going to talk about drama yes angoba sinogogo maweni sinogogo Skhotheni bese siba no Dominic. Remember sithe masihamba esiyokhisimusini bekune drama kagogo Skhotheni no Dominic, kuno Phiwe, kuno Somizi, la kwangena uSomizi kwangena owami kwakuningi, kukhulunywa ngo Dominic oxoxisa abantu emsebenzini bamngenile bathi kungani gogo Skhotheni beno Phiwe bekhulume ngo Dominic kwakuningi nje lapha kwavelayo. I think wonke ama video bengiwaposta lana. So manje ke sesingena nonyaka nomusha siyabona ukuthi kune live ebeyikhona laphana bekugogo maweni beno Dominic. I think bekukhona uNonsi is the cucumber pot one. Ngimbiza nokuthi nguNonsi, ngimbiza ngegama lakhe uNonsi. I really honestly love uNonsi bafethu. uNonsi, she's very much interesting. So uNonsi joining ugogo maweni nogogo no Dominic bekhuluma indaba zakagogo Skhotheni nendoda kagogo Skhotheni. Angakwasho ukuthi indoda kagogo Skhotheni i-bisexual umonde. Remember thina besibazi behlukene ezilela ugogo Skhotheni ezothi indoda yakhe iyamshaya iyamhlukumeza bla. Yakhumbula owami mayisenza i-video ukuthi hawu ungathi wena unankinga utraumatize uDominic but umuntu wena oyindoda yakho ukuthi wabuya wena wazositshela ukuthi uyakushaya and ukutraumatize kanjani like an online person, something like that. Kwakuningi bafethu kugogo Skhotheni noPhiwe beno Dominic. Manje uDominic ubuya eseno Nonsi nogogo maweni kukhulunywa ke ngebabu bisexual bukamonde. Laphana ke ngathi uDominic ureveal ukuthi ugogo Skhotheni ekhuluma ngaye kanje nje ingoba ugogo Skhotheni bekafuna uDominic alale nendoda yakhe since bokathiwa ubisexual uyabhuti. Mina I do not know bafethu. These are the stories here ku their life bathi uDominic uya reveal ukuthi okay wenza kanje nje ngoba ngala mina kulala nendoda yakhe wayifuna mina ke nendoda yakhe ntontoni. So I'm like how ugogo Skhotheni afuna ukuthi indoda yakhe yenze tofu no Dominic. So Dominic uthi yena she refused. So maybe this is why ugogo Skhotheni is like this against yena. So banogogo mawenda but bakhuluma ukunika ugogo Skhotheni kwase kuba nenye live ugogo Skhotheni ebangenela ephendula naye sekhuluma ngendoda kagogo maweni ethi you know what mina ngibona indoda yakho ikuphi ne best friend ya guys idrama ikhona lezi zangoma hayi mina I give up. Osisibi labo bezangoma when it comes to ugogo maweni logogo Skhotheni no hayi ngiyakutshela hayi izangoma zefame ngiyakutshela ba busy. So bano Dominic bafethu I'm gonna pull those lives nikwazi ukuzibonela wona baya trend aba busy mjolo ubungoma ikho konke drama like angazi girl nizangoma kanti nizangoma ezinjani kanti lezi zangoma ngezinjani izangoma zokugcina izangoma zensuku zokugcina bazoze bazongihlasela hayi izangoma zensuku zokugcina bafowethu like what the hell man. But angazi let me grab that live uzibukele yona ubone nje bekusenzeka bano Nonsi no Dominic.
Baby, how are you?
Oh my, beautiful. We are blessed.
Good, I'm alive.
You're back.
Not really.
Did you
I'm
get my
testing the
message?
waters. I'm testing the waters.
Did you get my message when I said we're waiting for you?
I'll come back. I promise. No, it's my baby.
Dominic, you don't do that. Oh, you don't exit.
No, but you
you do not exit. Oh, you do not exit.
No.
Muslim love.
Okay, guys, let's say I'm coming back.
No, you are back. You are back. Oh, no, don't say you are coming
No,
back. You are
some people need you. Some people live off your videos.
We do.
You give people hope. When I went to that appointment every day, and when they see your videos, they get so much power and healing because your videos give them strength. You can't do that.
Exactly.
You can't do
Dominic,
that, darling.
Dominic, trending. Okay, we say manje ukuthi outside trending into AMB.
When are you going to tell the people of the internet that you've been rallying and trooping against to tell them that I'm a bully, that the reason why you are angry at me is because I turned down the many offers that you've sent my way to give your husband the gay experience, when you were pimping me to sleep with your husband after I sat on a couch with you on a podcast and told you the many times that I was a victim of sexual assault?
Every family has a dark closet. So before ungahamba uyonuka eminye family nuke yakho. Angidakele mina. Angidakele baby girl. Miye kumonde. Wena Dlovukazi, wena ome njengenhloko uzocamba manguthi mina ngakufonela ngakutshela ukuthi umonde ufuna uyibunu umele uphe umonde ibunu zakho. Lebunu zakhe ezime ngathi ingalo yami. Lebunu zakhe ezime ngathi ingalo yami. Oh. Njalo, I've been telling people the type of person that she is. Hey, suka. Wonke umuntu une dark side yakhe man. How? Nase ningibabaza kangaka. Nangibabaza kangaka. Ayisuka wena.
After knowing all the things that you knew that I told you about, especially my incidents of sexual assault, you still saw it fitting to then ask me to give your husband a sexual experience. And because I said no to that, and I guess you're not used to people saying no to you, you then decided that you're going to be angry at me. Second question, when are you going to tell people that you actually don't care about how I stand up and fight for myself? Because on 2 occasions, you tried to book me to come to a conference and an event that you were hosting, to come and speak to people, to encourage them, and then also to teach them how I stand up for myself, because it's such a championing thing for someone to be able to use their rights and the Constitution to stand up for myself. And the reason why I didn't do those events is because you could not afford my rates.
Ayithathapi uyisikoloshi self yena kunomuntu omsebenzisayo that's why yenza izinto ezihlanyayo kanje awuphume lapha angeke akenze nix for call nothing angeke nothing there's nothing that nonsense.
Ngihlezi ngibatshela ukuthi I'm untouchable. I have a friend. I know a friend.
Never.
Guys, no, I'm back, guys. Tomorrow I'm going out. I'm going to go to an event. I'm going to look pretty. I'm going to post videos. I'm going to post content. Let's go. Let's have fun.
That's what we
Let's
want to
have
hear.
fun.
Like, hello. I mean, if you for a second, if you doubt your life, if you want to compare the things you've accomplished and compare the shit that's happening in her life and see that she's no better than you. She's not going to do shit to you. You're greater. You're far more greater. And whoever who says bad things about you, fuck them. They don't matter. You matter.
Thank you, Coco.
You matter. You are number 1 in your life. Please, man. Tikoloshi amasimba. Ayithatha. Ahambe naleyo tikoloshi. Ayofuna hesha sizokhuluma ezinye izinto yazi. Ngizonitshela WhatsApp. Ngizonitshela ku WhatsApp. Ngizonitshela ku WhatsApp nama video and nonsense wakhe ngizanitsendela ku WhatsApp.
Kunye ngiyakwazi. I don't even need evidence. I was there. I was present. I know.
Wabani nithathe kidibuang. Nontsingahlanganisi la besizophuza
I was there. I was present. Even when I was asked to give bums to the husband, I was there.
And somebody else is saying it because when I said
no, I'm not lying. It's the truth, and everyone knows it.
This is my safe.
I'm so glad someone else is saying it because when I said it, they said I was lying. Okay.
No, I was asked. I was asked to give bums, and I said no. That's why I'm being attacked. It's because I refused to give bums.